All right, single page sites. Welcome back to SEO with Jason O. We're going to attach Bunny to Mega Cloud Stacker. Now, like I said before, with all the other accounts, I'm not going through how to create the account because that's really self-explanatory. You just go through the steps and create the account. Make sure you fill everything in, including billing information and email. You need to make sure your email is verified. And you have to, in Bunny, you have to make sure that you do a prepay. So you give money first. So you have an account balance. I just clicked on billing. You go ahead, click on billing, put in however much you want to prepay. I put $25. It's been over a year, so I've used $10 in a year. You can see I used 4 cents in September, and it really is super cheap. And then we can enable auto recharging. I'm just gonna go ahead. You can go ahead and go through this. What I understand, if you want your sites to be public and you want this space to work, you need to have billing set up and you have to prepay. All right, so that's the beginning part of it. Make sure you get all of your basics set up before you start trying to build out buckets and storage, pool zones, all that kind of stuff, because it won't work if you don't have this all set up. Okay. You have Mega Cloud Stacker, you have access to this sheet right here. And in this sheet right here, if you click on how to set up Bunny CDN in Mega Cloud Stacker, you get this. Okay. It doesn't give you the first steps of making sure that you have billing enabled and email verified. So again, make sure you do that. And then you can start coming in here and doing the manage the zone. So we'll just basically follow this step by step. When you get to this step right here, select a location, make sure you select a Falkenstein location. The software is designed to work with that location specifically. That was a hurdle that I was running into. You need to select the Falkenstein location. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is add a storage zone, like the sheet says. And keep in mind that if you want this to be SEO specific, the URL structure is created from the storage zone. So this is going to be the beginning of your URL. Here's what I mean. Causes of female hair loss and thinning is the name of the storage zone. Okay. So when you create a storage zone, if you're doing this for SEO purposes, create a storage zone that's optimized for what you want it to be optimized for. All right. So you create a storage zone. The name of it's going to be SEO optimized. You know, maybe GBP category and location, something like that. Whatever your GBP category is and your city or something like that, right? And then make sure Europe Falkenstein is here. The sheet says to disable geo-replication. Honestly, I don't know if it'll work one way or the other. You can test it, but the sheet says to disable it. So you would click this and it would be disabled. Okay, so I'm ready to the storage zone. So we're going to add the storage zone that I just created. I called mine dental implants or something like that. Okay, and now we have a storage zone. So you have this storage zone here. Go ahead and copy and paste it into Mega Cloud Stacker where it says storage zone name, right? And the storage zone location, it's going to be Falkenstein because that's the location that we chose, right? That's the one that's going to work. Okay. So we have the pool zone, or we have the storage zone, and we have the storage zone location. We want to connect a pool zone. And again, these things are URL specific. Now the pool zone is going to be, so the storage zone is the first part of the URL. The pool zone is going to be the last part of the URL, right? So I did dental implants periodontist, and I'll connect a pull zone. And okay, let's see. Dental implants, periodontist. We'll have this monodental implants. This is going to be our pull zone name. So we're going to copy this and put this where it says pull zone name, right? Okay, so this is a pull zone name before the be.cdn.net, and that goes here. Okay, the pull zone name goes here. Keep storage zone, keep the storage zone the same. Standard tier, I believe the pricing zone needs to be the same as the storage zone, and that was Europe and Russia. And then we can add the pull zone. Now you come back to storage, click storage on the left, and then click dental implants periodontist. That's the storage zone that we just made, right? And it's connected to a pull zone. We know that because we just did it. And then we come into FTP and API Access. Down here, we have password and read-only password. We are going to click on the I and then copy the password to your spreadsheet so that you have it. Copy your read-only password to your spreadsheet for Bunny so you have it. And then this password right here is going to go in the buddy.net HTTP API password. That's going to go right here. And then you have everything you need to get this going, right? And you do add bunny.net account. And that is your step-by-step guide to get bunny.net access from Mega Cloud Stacker.